Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, we got to talk about yesterday's whisper. So yesterday, I had my eye on a couple of stocks. I had my eye on UNG, but only above the 16 level. That's where I spotted resistance early on pre-market. And look at that. Could never break above. In fact, it dropped like a rock. Great short. We never went long on that. And I also love GDX with a target still at that 20 level. I spotted a print this morning right here at 1970. So watch that level very carefully today. A lot of my traders in the pit made a lot of great trades yesterday on the gold stocks. Terry rocked JNUG, also rocked EDZ. Great job, Terry. Graham rocked Paychex. Roxy rocked SGMS for 49 cents. Dan rocked NDR. M in the Wall Street room, Dave W. Wow, Dave, you rocked FedEx and Netflix on the short side. Donnie rocked HABT. But the trader of the day goes to Wayne, aka the Cowboy. He was the trifecta yesterday. He rocked Forex, he rocked options, he rocked stocks. He was unstoppable. Great trading, Cowboy. Now, I must tell you guys, I'm doing the boot camp class right now, and we're analyzing and focusing on the psychological aspects of trading. Now, expecting losses is probably the hardest thing that we have to do as a trader. I mean, nobody likes to lose. But instead of calling it a loser, let's just say the trade didn't work out, okay? Not a loser, because in my mind, getting out of a small trade and only losing a few pennies is a winner. However, holding on to it creates shame, blame, and not to mention a lot of money. So expecting something prepares us. You see, when we expect it, we take it, okay, and we can move on. Now, seasoned professional traders, they expect 3 out of 10, 2 out of 5, 1 out of 3 not to work out just because that's the odds. But most traders, they have losers because they're not educated out there, okay? Education is key. So, many of you are right now in trades you shouldn't even be in the first place. So please stop trading, respect your money, get some education, paper trade until you have a high success rate. Okay, so yesterday's quote of the day is from John T. He said, "This market is like a bad relationship. It's getting ugly fast." The market came down yesterday, but you know what? We were expecting it. We've been spotting tons of late sell prints for over a week now, okay, on the SPY, on the XLF. So it's not a surprise. It's been coming down. So what's the stock of the day? What am I watching today? Well, MU is coming out with earnings after the close. Please do not hold this stock. This is strictly day trading stock on momentum. And the levels I'm watching, going to be bullish above 34.50, bearish below 34. So come watch me trade these stocks and my amazing traders at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.